These oven roasted Brussels sprouts are the perfect quick and easy side dish, and all you'll need are 4 main ingredients plus some salt and pepper. This dish is roasted to perfection in the oven. Then once the Brussels sprouts come out, we'll drizzle some balsamic glaze on top along with some Parmesan cheese. Whether you need this for Thanksgiving or just a quick and easy weeknight meal, this is the perfect side dish. Plus, it's great for lots of different dietary restrictions, gluten-free, low carb, keto, whatever you need. Don't forget to subscribe for even more side dish recipes and ideas. Like I mentioned, there are only 4 main ingredients that you'll need for this side dish. Start out by lining a baking sheet with some parchment paper. And then next we're going to start with some prep. We need 1 pound of Brussels sprouts that have been washed, and then we're going to de-stem and quarter them. By cutting them up in quarters, this really allows them to get super crispy in the oven. But of course, if you have smaller Brussels sprouts, you can just cut them in half. Next, place those in a mixing bowl, and then we're going to mix those all together with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon of Morton kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. Mix that together until the Brussels sprouts are well coated, and then transfer them to your lined baking sheet. You're going to go in a preheated 425-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're tender and browned on the outside. Then we're going to top them with some shaved Parmesan cheese, and of course my favorite part, a drizzle of balsamic glaze. I'll throw a link to this item in the description below in case you haven't seen it at your grocery store. This is the perfect, quick, flavorful, and delicious side dish. It's perfect with lots of different main course meals, and I hope that you love it as much as I do. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be linked in the description below.